Showcase, posting your offers, lead magnets, free products to upsell your main offer, your high ticket offer. So if you're not familiar with lead magnet, ito yung mga free, like kunwari, free masterclass. So kunwari, ayan si Coach Yunji, nung sa community niya, meron siyang Ado Basic at Level Up Basic. So it's actually a lead magnet na para i-lure niya yung mga people to trust his brand, na get glimpse na, ito yung brand ko. If nagka-results ka and you want more results, you want more knowledge, enroll ka na sa akin. Or kunwari, yung Canva, meron siyang 30-day free trial. So pag nag-expire siya, kailangan mo na lang mag-avail ng premium. So those are lead gen. Ayan. Showcase, it's basically promoting those offers, those lead magnets. And if those lead magnets directly solves a relevant